Following the attack by Kuki militants using high-tech drones to drop bombs at Meitei villages, Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo has called on the attention of Union Home Minister Amit Shah to take stringent measures against the illegal armed militants and insurgent groups who have violated the rules of suspension of operation. He also said that the presence of around 60,000 central forces in Manipur is not yielding peace and urged the Union Home Minister to remove such armed forces who are mostly present as mute spectators and allow the state forces to take the charge to restore normalcy. He also appealed to the Union Minister to remove certain units of Assam Rifles who are cooperating with the state government and the public. In a letter sent by R.K. Imo to the Union Minister, which he posted in his X account, urged the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to abrogate sue against the illegal armed militants and insurgent groups who are constantly behind the spread of further violence and take stringent action against them. The letter also mentioned to investigate the funding and supply of these arms and ammunition, which are constantly spreading more terror in the state. The conflict has persisted for over 15 months due to the support and supply of arms and ammunitions. He also called the central government to hand over the unified command to Chief Minister N. Biren to restore peace in the state. R.K. Imo further urged the central government for a political dialogue and engagement between all the stakeholders at the earliest.